Starting your own business can be really exciting, so here's a round of applause for making that decision. Get it? Round of applause. Ever since the you-know-what during the year you-know-when, running a business from the comfort of home has become pretty common. And it's hard not to see why. Being a home-based business owner saves you from operational costs like renting a retail space, and all you really need to get started is an e-commerce website. Hi, I'm Micah. I'm the Mindful Marketer here at Cococart, and in this video, I'll be showing you the most profitable yet most affordable businesses that you can start from your own home.
Yeah, Cococart.
But before we get into that, let's quickly start off by talking about the pros and cons of starting a home-based business, just so you know what to expect. Of course, one of the biggest benefits for running your home business means that you can spend more time with your family, or if you live alone like me, more time with your pet. And this is great, especially if you set healthy work-life boundaries. One pro tip to help you do just that is to have an area in your home just for running your business and another one just for your personal life. Another perk is getting to be the boss of your own schedule. But running a home business is still a business, so that might mean you need to allot proper time learning and then abiding by any government regulations like acquiring licenses and permits or just paying your taxes. Policies and costs of running a business can differ from country to country, however, so be sure to read up on what's applicable to you. And now for the most exciting part, some low-cost and profitable business ideas just for you. The first idea is reselling beauty and skincare products. So in case you didn't know, the global skincare and beauty industry is huge. These types of products aren't seasonal and they are a necessity for many consumers all year round. With demand like that, it makes for a great opportunity to create a new income stream. But instead of just selling any kind of beauty and skincare product, it helps to choose a niche set of product. Your future self will definitely thank you, and it'll make marketing your brand so much easier. Here's what I mean about choosing a niche set of product. Cruelty-free skincare, skincare for sensitive skin, Korean beauty skincare products, my personal favorite, 100% organic ingredient products, or something like handmade soap. These are great targeted niches to start. Choosing one just helps you stand out from the competition, and it's just a bonus that your brand image will be more appealing to customers who might hold similar strong values to your business. And the second idea is creating handmade products. Etsy, one of the most popular e-commerce platforms for independent crafters, has seen a surge in revenue in recent years, which means, yes, people are definitely willing to pay for handmade products. So don't be afraid to turn your passion for crafts into a side business. Here are some handmade products that you can try crafting and selling. Scrunchies, jewelry, crochet bags, and clothing, just to name a few. And if you're into art, there's items like washi tapes, commissioned art portraits, and even shoe illustrations are great ideas to get you started. Now let's move on to the third idea, which is starting a print-on-demand business. Don't have much capital or storage space to keep your own inventory? No worries. With print on demand, you can create mock-ups of the designs that you want to eventually sell on printed items like t-shirts, tote bags, even custom journals. By not committing to printing, say, 1,000 t-shirts right off the bat, you get to save on capital and storage space. And that's why it's called print on demand. You only have to print these products once a customer places an order. It's a great way to test out demand in a low-risk and cost-efficient way, and you can easily find a ton of print-on-demand suppliers near you with the right amount of snooping and Googling, of course. And the final affordable small business idea is selling fandom merch. Maybe you're a big fan of K-pop or anime or really just anything about pop culture or all of the above. Combine your big love for these things with some art and design skills, and you've got yourself the start of what can be a super profitable merch business. If you're wondering what you might be able to sell under a fandom business, think stickers, pins, washi tapes, photo cards, pillows, even mystery boxes. And here is a tip just to get you started. Start selling merch of anything that you love. It doesn't have to be just the one fandom. So what this means is maybe I want to sell pins of Spy Family anime, or I want to also sell stickers from Attack on Titan or washi tapes featuring Demon Slayer characters. This way, your market can be way bigger and you're much more likely to attract more customers from each fandom. So I hope this video helped give you some cool new ideas for a low-cost business that you can start today. And look, we know just how hard it can be to start a home business, from managing orders to keeping track of payments, delivery dates, and having to do your own marketing and sales. That's why we built Cococart for small business owners just like you. You can create your own e-commerce website in just under 3 minutes for absolutely free. Check out this video over here to learn more, or head on over to the link in the description box below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell. We release videos about selling anything, as long as it's legal. So thanks for watching, and see you again in our next video. Bye!